Hello, Paul here from EMD Motor Sport. I've got this Porsche 996. I was working on the actual modification for the actual the radiator. So let's have a look here. Everything's all connected. I've got the new condenser in, so the AC guy is coming tomorrow for the regas. I'm just gonna change the O-ring here. Pretty much change the O-ring on both sides and then connect the hose. So the AC guy is coming tomorrow for the AC. I've got the actual car running. I've got no leak underneath, but I still gotta check it tomorrow. I usually run the car until the fans come on. I can feel it. It's getting hot. It's hot here. Just warm there. Okay, so just quickly show the temperature. Usually on a car like this, they usually overheat straight away because of the air bubbles, but for some reason this one doesn't even overheat. First time I've started a car, it doesn't overheat. Or actually temperature go up to 90 degrees, but it's looking good, so I'll double check later on and we'll go from there.